Hey everyone. This lecture is going to give you an overall setup for the next few sections of lectures. And really in the next few sections, we're going to be talking about the phases of the requirements process. So there's 4 key phases that I break out for the requirements process. And that's requirement elicitation, requirement analysis, requirement specification, and requirements approval. The requirements elicitation is really all about pulling the requirements out of documentation, out of stakeholders, through various different techniques, whether it's a technique like interviewing or surveys, requirement workshops, etc. We'll talk about a bunch of different techniques that you can utilize and all the different pieces for requirement elicitation. We'll then move into requirements analysis. Requirements analysis is about making sure, number one, that you have all the requirements, as well as taking those requirements and spinning them and modeling them in a way that both business and technical users will draw the same conclusions from them. So the analysis phase is very important to make the requirements readable and make sure you've removed all ambiguity from those requirements. The requirement specification phase is all about categorizing requirements, determining which ones are functional, non-functional, or supplemental, and constraints, and working through to set attributes for the different requirements that you've determined, as well as set priorities for those requirements. And then finally, requirements approval. We'll talk about the 3 levels of approval that you want to get: the business, the technical approval, and then the executive, sponsor, or steering committee approval of the requirements. So in the next few sections, quite a few lectures, you're going to learn about these 4 phases of the requirements process. So I'll see you in those lectures.